This video is going to be, I am headed to a car meet in North Carolina, in Raleigh. It is one that my brother and a couple of other people are hosting, and of course because he's going to it, I'm gonna go ahead and go to it, and my boyfriend's going as well. So I know y'all want makeup tutorials, okay? So here it is. Here's a get ready with me makeup tutorial. I cut a mullet into my hair because, like, why not? But I need to, like, part it down the middle to be able to do a full face makeup. So I'm gonna do that. Don't judge me, alright? Take it easy. It's gonna look stupid for, like, such a long time until I do my eyebrows, and then we're gonna look fine. But another thing that I want to tell you guys, oh, here it is. So, I use this stuff, Harry's Sculpting Gel, instead of the Got2b Glued, and you guys, this stuff holds so well, and it acts exactly like the Got2b Glued. There's literally, like, no difference. If anything, I like it better. But yeah, that's just me. You guys should definitely try it. Sorry, I'm just opening a can because I'm really thirsty. So yeah, so I'm going to go for a makeup look that I saw yesterday, that I really liked. All I know is that I'm wearing these boots by Demonia, and it's gonna be some black goth type stuff, okay? So let me just go ahead and do my eyebrows. If y'all know me, if y'all have seen me on this channel before, I use this all the time. It's Makeup Forever's Professional Paris 12 Flash Color Case. I'm pretty sure you've seen this everywhere. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows. And yes, I have on a One Direction shirt. It's my favorite. I still love them, but they lied. I'm sad. But yeah, anyway, I'm just gonna do thin brows. So yeah, so those are the brows. Now we are gonna move on to the makeup look. So this makeup look, I'm gonna insert it right here. And let me, like, tilt you guys down. I have stuff on my floor. It's my deodorant, my shoes, and then my Kleenex box. But, like, mind your business. So, I got these from Walmart this morning. Hello? Lord. Maybe if I do this. They're pearls. You can't really see them, but they're like little half pearls. So yeah, so hold on. Oh, that's really good. Okay, so it starts off with black, and then it kind of just goes into a wing like you guys saw. So that's what I'm gonna focus on doing. I'm gonna use mainly smaller brushes to get it precise, and then I'm gonna go ahead and venture to bigger brushes to blend. So first things first is I'm gonna take, I guess I can take this one. This brush, it is the e.l.f. Blend and Line, one of the brushes that has like a double thing with liner. And I'm gonna go into the black in this palette and, like, put it on my lid. Just so it has, like, a base, you know what I mean? You can do this with black lipstick. You can do this with really, like, anything. any like black that you have. But you want to kind of get a basis. And also, like, what I'm doing as well is I'm getting, like I was getting ready to say, just a base of the shape too. So just like with my own fingers and with my nails, that, by the way, I literally just did a couple hours ago, and they're so short and cute. And y'all know I don't really like short nails, like I always do like long nails, but we're trying new things, all right? So yeah, let me know in the comments, like, how have you guys been like channeling your creativity if you are a creative in quarantine? Have you guys been dealing with that? And is your like state still quarantined? I think North Carolina is not quarantined anymore. We do have things that are open. We have places where we can shop, the whole nine. But like clothing stores aren't open. So like thrift places and stuff like that are not open. The black in this palette right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and go over that area and kind of just pack it in. And to me, it looked very like wet. It looked very, not sloppy, but sloppy, if that makes sense. It definitely pulled out the eye a lot, so I'm gonna try to focus on elongating my eye. Now, I don't want to use one of my biggest pet peeves, to be completely honest with you, is people who do a smoky eye, who blend with browns or the tans or something. I personally feel like I have perfected my smoky eye so well that I don't have to do that. I can just blend continuously. In my family, we have a lot of women that do makeup, and I am known as like the blend master, just because I've always wanted to make sure my eye makeup was blended. You know what I mean? That's my biggest fear, is like going out with unblended eye makeup, because that is not a good look unless it's meant, like unless you're defining something or cutting a crease or something like that, then by all means, honey, don't blend. But in this house, under under my authority, we blend. So I'm just blending it out with a relatively fluffy brush, and in between blending, I'm like wiping the extra product away. Oh, it scared me. It was lint. Alright, so I am going to use this. And go ahead into the black and put it in my inner corner. Just because I feel like you can really like blend with anything. I'm gonna take my finger and kind of just pack in the black a little bit more. Alright, that looks really good. How are we feeling about that, you guys? How are you feeling? So, of course, I'm going to just repeat the same exact process on this side, and I will see you back later. Okay guys, so I'm back with both eyes done. All I did was the same exact thing. On the inner corners though, I did bring the black to a point a little bit more. My eyes, I don't personally feel are naturally for that specific look like I want them to be, but I do a little bit just to satisfy my mind. So I am going to go in underneath on my waterline. I'm going to clean the brush off really, really well. And then I'm going to go into the black, just a little, like literally on the corner, and just go underneath. Now, what I hate is this kind of like line that goes from my upper eyelid up, and then it drops down, kind of like the color drops down to my lower eyelid. So what I do is I don't have a smaller one. Normally I would take a smaller brush than this and just kind of go into the corner, but I don't, so I'm going to take a little bit and just kind of dot it and blend it. I'm gonna like clean it up a little bit. Yes, I just used a shirt. Yeah, you'll get over it. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the small brush that I used before, and I'm gonna dot it back into the black and just really, really line my waterline. Okay, so now that you have that, you are gonna go back with the brush that you used, and just make sure everything is nice and blended out. If you need to add more black, add more black. If you don't, you don't. I don't need to. The palette that I used, by the way, you guys, is the Juvia's palette Warrior 2. It's really dirty because I've had it for a very, very long time, and I love this palette so much. I use it for contouring. I use it, of course, for I use it, of course, for black looks like the one I just did. I use it for everything. It's really, really great. So, okay. So now I'm gonna go ahead and go into the pearls that I got, and I look so funny with my hair like this. That's so funny. I'm going to take the pearls and just separate them, obvi. Now I'm gonna go ahead and remove the rest of like the sticky stuff from them, from like the sides. If I can, hold on. There we go. And I'm gonna go ahead and just place them over my tweezers a little bit. And place them, and then okay, you guys, so I have my eyelashes on. Can't really like see them, but they're there. I have the pearls and everything on. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and contour. Like I said, I'm gonna use this palette, and I'm gonna use these two colors to contour. I'm gonna start off with the lighter color. It's like put my finger in it. I'm gonna start off with this color right here. I feel like this side looks swollen, but it's just because I got my wisdom teeth out. I don't know if it's just me being like me, but if this side looks swollen, you guys, let me know in the comments, because I feel like it's not just me. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and contour my nose. And then I am gonna go ahead and find a highlighter. I don't really know what I want to highlight with yet. Hi. You look really cute. You like my makeup?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I do.
I don't know what to highlight with.
That's blue. Blue and green.
Highlight with blue and green.
I don't know makeup.
Highlight like right here.
Do blue.
Blue. Okay. So my boyfriend picked my highlight. I'm gonna highlight with blue, but it's gonna be the blue that I want to highlight with. So I actually really like highlighting with this color a lot because it's really, really pretty. And it is Faso in the Magic Mini. It's that one right there. It's like an iridescent pearly type of color. I think I'm gonna do matte black. So I'm gonna go ahead and go into my palette and then just go into the same black and line my lips. Now I'm gonna fix my hair so the look can come together, okay? So like I said, this is my little makeshift mullet for the night. Oh, I'm just gonna bring it kind of up a little bit just so there, my pet peeve is when my lashes and my hair touch. It's bothersome. Because then like the hair pushes down on the lash and makes your eyes look all wonky. Thought it was a bug. I'm not liking how this is doing. There we go. Right, I'm just gonna part her down the middle and brush her out a little bit. So yeah, so this is not the final look. I am going to get ready. I'm gonna get dressed, and then I'm gonna do I'm gonna put on my earrings and all that good stuff. But I hope you guys like my little pearl black pearl look. That's what this look is gonna be called. Let me know if you want me to do any other looks. I'm just winging it right now. You guys are asking for makeup tutorials, so we're winging it. But let me know what other looks you guys want to see, and stay to the end of the video so that you guys can see my entire makeup look.